this tutorial we're gonna cover Git and GitHub and all the commands and what is basically how you're gonna contribute to the any open source program or in your organization if you're working with the Git. Okay, so let's begin. So what the first thing we do in the Git, that is Git Clone. So Git Clone, what does that, creates your own copy in your laptop. So this is the repository. I'm gonna fork this. In my profile. So this is the fork repository of this one. So this maze runner / mqtt cpp is like the upstream, and then the Sundaram Dubey / mqtt cppc is like the origin. Let's understand here. So this is origin, which is my my GitHub, and this is the upstream from where I have forked. Okay, and I'm the user. So when I'm going to like clone this, so I'm cloning my own copy of the particular code. So let's say here git clone and the URL that I have copied. Okay, so change directory mqtt cpp/c. So here I can use the git branch command to see the branches. Now what if like you can see that here are two branches, cs60 and main, but it is only showing one branch. Why? Because at the point when we have cloned, we have only cloned the main, and he doesn't know that what are the branches that exist on your remote or the origin. So you can put command git branch -a, and it will show you the both the commands that are on the origin and on the upstream. So now you can type git remote -v to see the origin and the upstream things. So this is your origin, but your upstream is this one, maze runner / mqtt / cpp/c. So what if you want to update your local repo from the origin? Let's say you are working on a branch. So how you create a new branch? How you create a new branch is the git checkout -b and it's the branch name. Let's say the branch name is working. Okay, so you are switched to branch working, and you will now check git branch, so it will say you are on the working branch. So there are no commits at the point, so you can type status and it will show you that a working tree is clean and there are no commits currently. So what to do next? Okay, let's say if my upstream repository is updated and I want to update my local like my origin repo. So how you will do that? So first you have to do like git remote add upstream and then add this. Okay, so this will what do that this will add the maze runner repository as your upstream, where from where you can fetch the changes if anyone else update the particular code. So now if you type git remote -v, it will show you the upstream and the origin. Okay, so let me tell you that how you contribute and how you make a PR. Okay, so let me open the VS Code and so this is our folder. So let me change the readme file or whatever you want. I'm adding, and this is a repo to contribute. Okay, now I will go to terminal and check the status. It will show one change in the readme.md. You can see the difference by typing git dev and readme.md, and it will show you that this line has been added with the green color. Okay, so now now you directly can't push the changes, you have to add the changes. So let me tell you in brief. So there is like the first stage where your code is just written. Okay, your code is just written, and then you have the another stage that the your code is like staged, you can say. And then there is another stage when like you have finally commit your changes. So we go from this stage to this stage, and then from this stage to this stage. So what we do, we write the code, we add the code that to keep the track by the Git, and then we commit the code that we are satisfied or satisfied by our code changes. This is the whole process. Then we push the code to the our origin. Yeah, we push the code to the origin. Okay, so how you do that? See here. So first we type git add. You can type dot or the file name to the dot will add all the files you have changed, and the file name will add only one file specifically. So I'm doing dot, and then you can see that now it will show in the green color that you have like your file is staged. So, and to restore the changes, like you want to, if they revert the that you don't want to add the file you realize, then do you do git restore dash staged and then dot or the file name. Now you can type git commit -m indicates the message you want to write in. So updating description. Okay, so now you will see that nothing will be on tree and nothing to commit and working trees. Now you can push, but it will not be pushed because the working branch exists on your local, not on the your origin. As you can see, there is no working branch here or on your local. Okay, so just copy this command and then paste it. What it will do, it will set the upstream origin command to the working, like your origin will be tagged from your local with the working branch. And now here you will see that there will be one more branch working. Okay, now this is the case. Now if you want to merge these changes to your local, or you want to raise a PR for this one, for the maze runner MQTT branch, you can do both. Okay, so it will indicate that you have pushed one commit to your origin repository and you want to create a PR for the main repository which you are contributing. Okay, but you are not adding a branch directly to this upstream repo because you are not authorized for that. So you just create a fork, you add your branch to that, and you compare a pull request to the main branch of this one. So it will show the difference here. So you can see that base repository is your upstream repository and this is your origin repository, which is working branch. So updating description and you create pull request. Okay, so here it is. That's how you will create a pull request or contribute to any repo in the open source. Okay, so this is the like process of fork. I'm gonna close this, of course, of forking and contributing. But like if it is directly your repo, you are the owner of it, so that's will be the same process. The origin will be the same. You don't need to like set the upstream. You will just directly push the branches here, and your branches, all branches will show here. And when you want to merge your branch in a particular main or the master branch, you just compare a pull request and you create a pull request. Yeah, that's it. And the GitHub is now providing this feature too, that you can directly merge your branch from the upstream from here. As I have no current changes, so I don't need to merge them, but you can directly fetch and merge, and then you can pull the changes on your local. Now in the next step I will show that how to update your local branch. So there are several ways to update your local branch. Like I say that I'm currently on working branch, and let's say I update the working branch here. Let's say I have added for everyone, and I have committed the change, but this change will not reflect on my local. I will only say contribute and not for everyone. This is not showing on my local, so I need to pull these changes on my local as well. So for pulling changes, first make sure that all your commits are clean, like your working tree is clean and there are no more commits to make. So it's status, so it says working tree is clean, so you can just git pull origin if you are pulling from origin, and if you are pulling from upstream, then you can just pull from upstream. Okay, and then git pull origin and your branch name working. So it will update your local repo which is on your VS Code, and now you can see for everyone here. Okay, so now what if you want to fetch the branches that are on your GitHub but not on local? As you can see, here are only two branches showing, the working and the main. So what you will do, as you can see on GitHub, there is a branch name CS60. Okay, but this branch is not on your local, so you will do git fetch origin and then your branch name, CS60. Okay, yeah, it's in capital letters. Sorry. Git fetch. Okay, I just git fetch origin CS60. Now you can just switch to that branch using git checkout CS60. So now you can see that there will be three branches showing, working, CS60 and main. So this is how you, and then you can work on this branch also and push the changes in the similar way. So this is how you work with the flow and all the commands in the Git and GitHub. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop down in the comments. Thank you.